Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We have a great product for you. This is a 15.6 inch portable monitor and it is really fantastic. Hooks up with HDMI or USB-C, comes with all the cabling you need, and stick around, we're going to show you all that. This is a full HD IPS panel HDR monitor, and that is pretty much as high speed, low drag as you're going to get. It has the Mini-HDMI port, the USB-C port, the 3.5 millimeter headphone interface, and the USB port. 16:9 ratio, that's that widescreen at 15.6 inches, and on top of that, it only weighs about 1.7 pounds, that's 770 kilograms. So this is absolutely fantastic. Like I said, 1,000-to-1 ratio for black and white. It looks fantastic in person. You know, recording it on a phone isn't going to give you how bright and the great contrast here. The brightness is 300 CD per M squared. This is a really fantastic product that has a great visual angle of 85 degrees, plus and minus, and it folds up and gets put away accordingly. Now on a product like this, it is nice that it comes with the magnetic backing to where you can set it up and display, and right now I have it mirroring my laptop, running off the laptop battery, but it also plugs into 110. Looks like my laptop went into sleep mode, back on. So on top of all that, you can do screen mirroring, side by side, and all sorts of like extended screen, etc., depending on your device. I can also tie it into my Android device with the USB-C, and I can tie it into my Apple machines. Pretty much if you've got something that you can extend the monitor on, well, guess what? This is going to work fantastic. So folks, if you're looking for a great product that's going to make a world of difference, this is going to be great. I love it for side by side. If I want to work on a spreadsheet, enter data, see data, enter data, see data, you need two screens. You're on a conference call, you want to work and still be on the call, you need two screens. This is great for multitasking, for getting more done with your life, and you're not constantly toggling between screens. Pick up a file over here, drag it into the upload. I do that for Amazon, etc., So go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. Now stick around for the up close portion of the video where it gets even better and you get to see all the product details. Thanks again for watching, and you're going to absolutely love this fantastic product. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Now stick around for the up close portion of the video. I also want to show you the cool color of this. It's kind of a blue. You don't see this very often. I want to show it to you outside so you can get the full range of colors from the sun. Isn't that beautiful? All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of the video. It's KPKUE, KPKUE, a model Z1. It's a 15.6 portable monitor with 1080p. I have it set up right here. It does come with a great display stand to where you can set it up or fold it in like a book and travel with it. Now, accordingly, I have it mirroring my laptop, but there's a lot of different things where you can do side by side, up and down, etc., or even extend the size of your screen. Now it does come with all the cabling you need, including this, a USB-C to USB-C. We've got USB-C to USB-A, as well as the HDMI cable that I went ahead and selected for use. On top of all that, it does come with a very straightforward wiring diagram to give you all the different setups. You can actually have it tied into your USB-C phone. Did you know that? You can have it working with your phone or tablet, with your computer, or with your Apple device. So that's super fantastic. The display is 15.6 inches across, just like that. It's a 16:9 ratio with a 1,000-to-1 black ratio. Now, you notice there's not a flicker. That means it's a great screen resolution. Sometimes when you're on a camera, the screens will flicker. And it doesn't even truly show how bright and vivid the colors are in real life. The weight is only 770 grams or 1.71 pounds, which is nice as well. It has a built-in speaker to where you don't have to worry about having external speakers. This thing has got it all for you. Adjustable brightness, 300 CD N squared. And great visual angle of 85 degrees min and max. So that's fantastic. Full HD IPS panel, HDR 1920 by 1080. And again, it has all the ports you need. the need for speed. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products that we truly love. You see how easily it folds up. You can disconnect it just so easily, and you can just run it with your USB-C if you're so inclined. So go ahead and pick this one up. It's a great product. Everything you see and need is available. It does come with your 110 outlet, a lot of little accoutrement like that, and what a great company. All right, folks, go ahead and pick it up. You absolutely will not be disappointed. My name is Adam, Elite Demonstrations. It is great. It's great for your eyes. It has true color, full HD of 1920 by 1080, and a full functioning Type-C USB-C. So, folks, again, thanks again for watching. I'm Adam, Elite Demonstrations, where we only show you products that are super duper fantastic. And this thing is, let me back out for you. Zoop, there we go. This thing is the bee's knees. It's the cat's pajamas. It is the cat's meow. It's fantastic. So go ahead and pick it up. You will not be disappointed. All right. If you haven't already, go ahead and pick it up. Don't take my word for it. Get it for yourself. You're absolutely going to love it. All right. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate you guys. You're all fantastic. And, well, adios, amigos.